Here I have HUAWEI Honor 20i, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, then enter settings, then go to the display and brightness, and here you have eye comfort. You can enable this mode here. You can select color temperature here. You can also add a schedule for this mode. Here you can select when it starts and when this mode ends. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.